Welcome to Thought Leader Thursday. This is where we come together to break outdated business practices and to start thinking differently about how we salon. Let's transform salon business one mindset shift at a time. Join me every single Thursday to chat about small shifts you can make to transform your business by changing your mindset and by thinking differently. Thought Leader Thursday is an exclusive podcast for our GHT email list subscribers. So if you know somebody who would greatly benefit from all of the beautiful things we talk about every single Thursday, go ahead and share our link to join our email subscription list with one of your favorite like-minded business owners so they too can also benefit from the amazing business tips we give every single Thursday. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Megan Hurick, the marketing director here at Grace Hand-Tied Method, and today we're going to be chatting about 4 reminders every extension artist needs. Growth can push you out of your comfort zone in unimaginable ways. To become a skilled, well-known extension artist, it takes time, energy, and consistency. So here are 4 reminders for you to not give up and keep going. Reminder number 1, good things take time. The reality is that good things take time, energy, and effort. When it comes to extensions, practicing is a huge part of your success. So we're going to share with you some tips to keep working towards being an exceptional extension artist. Tip number 1, keep practicing on your mannequin head. We know you hear this from us all the time, but there are so many benefits to practicing on your mannequin head, like improving your confidence, your speed, troubleshooting if any issues arise during the service. So even if you're a super skilled artist, we still recommend practicing on your mannequin head at least once a week if you have a consistent clientele of extension artists. Second tip, take models until you're confident. We really encourage you not to practice the extensions on real human clients. Practice on your mannequin head until you're confident. Tip number 3, be open to feedback. Be open to feedback from your models or future clients. Feedback helps you grow. Tip number 4, remember to look back at your growth and see how far you've come. This is super important and a really overlooked step. Share your extension artist journey with your followers online. People love cheering you on. They love seeing what you're doing. So share in your stories, share in your feed what you're doing, what you're practicing, why are you practicing, what do you want to get out of practicing on a mannequin head. People are watching and listening and cheering you on and want to learn about what you're doing. Your second reminder, you're the expert. You are here to solve problems. Clients come to you so you can help them feel confident, maybe to add fullness to their hair, to cover their grays, and so much more. Remembering that you are the expert and a resource for your clients is super important. So remember, clients are looking for you to solve problems if issues arise. If issues arise after their installation or they have any questions or things like that, they're looking to you because you are the expert. Also, experts are confident and have invested time into their skills. Again, going back to practicing on your mannequin head, investing in furthering your education and things like that. Those are all things that experts do. And another thing that experts do is they do not let the clients run the show because they're the expert. What do we mean by that? We mean maybe you have a consultation and a client decides to take over or they're telling you how to do your job. That does not fly. You run the show. Don't let clients do that. Reminder number 3, adjustments happen and that's totally okay. Being an extension expert means taking on issues if they arise. Clients don't care about how much you know until they know how much you care. Being open and available for clients after an installation is super important. That's why we recommend a complimentary blowout 1 week after the initial service and to continue to follow up via email or text to ensure your client has a comfortable, long-lasting wear. So remember, adjustments are a way for you to learn and grow. Also, take notes of your adjustments and look for trends because that is exactly where you can improve your service. Any adjustment brings you one step closer to becoming an expert. And also learn from it. Please don't beat yourself up. Adjustments happen and it's okay. And your last reminder, Have compassion and empathy. If you're in the industry, that means you care about people and want them to feel confident. So remember, extension clients can be very vulnerable. Hair loss or hair thinning is a super personal and emotional experience. Another thing to remember is that extension clients spend a lot of money on their hair, so ensuring that they are receiving a 5-star service from start to finish and throughout their wear with follow-up is so important. Third, make sure your clients feel seen and heard if they come to you with questions or concerns. And lastly, if you feel annoyed when a client reaches out, this is your sign to raise your prices. So which reminder was your favorite? Keep these reminders in mind as you begin your busy weekend. If you want to take on 2022 with us, we have a lot of really awesome things coming up in the future. Most importantly, our Salon Systems waitlist. We have a waitlist started for this program. If you want to go to gracehandtidemethod.com/waitlist, we would love to have you join us. Thanks so much for listening, and we'll see you next week.